All right, this is a short demonstration on the Viddy player. Now it is a WordPress plugin, but it also has a embed code component so that you can put it on static websites, just very much like a server app. This is the WordPress version, and once you have installed the plugin and activated it, it'll show up in your dashboard, and it says Viddy player right here. Now there's three tabs. There's a global settings where you can put your own logo in there, your own Google Analytics for tracking and so forth. There's an all videos page where you can look at all the videos that you have set up and so forth. Now to set up a new video, I'm going to do this very quickly for you. Go to new video, and that'll open up a page. You can put up a subject for your own purposes, a subject line. Video test. All right, that's just for my purposes. Now there's a shortcode right there that you can put on, that you can put in any page or post or widget, and that's a shortcode. And here you select three different options: self-hosted, a YouTube where you put your YouTube ID, and also a Vimeo ID. So if you look at the self-hosted, there's a number of different options. You put your MP4 in there. There's also a flash for backup flash. You can put your splash image right there. You can put, it also has HLS. This is for for mobile, for HD or SD. It also has live streaming URL, and you can put a video title in there as well. From there, you can also come and set the width. Now, once you put the width in there, the height is automatically calculated based on the ratio that you have. There's 10 different skins. This is the player skins. And so, minimal and so forth. They're very, very powerful. Here you can set the logo. If you have a custom logo that you put in the general settings, you could have it show up on the left, right, or no logo at all. All right. From here, you can set the parameters of the control bar, hide control bar, enable preload, show the embed code, and so forth, and hide the volume. A lot of different features here. You can also set the colors of the control bar and the progress bar and the buffer color and so forth. Here is really cool. You can set up a shadow around the video and any color that you want, as well as a border. You can set up a border width with any color. Here is where you can have the border style. There's 6 different styles, solid or dash or what have you. Here you have the autoplay, or you can have the video loop, okay, and so forth. Now this is a really cool feature, is that you can have it redirect to any URL once the video has finished, and you can set the alignment right here, left, center, or right. Okay. From here you can have this really cool option on the regular version, and you can enable the video scroll. Now what this does, it enables you to put a thumbnail video when people scroll, just like on CNN website or whatever. When people scroll down, a lot of times the video's on top. When people scroll down the page or the post, it'll show a thumbnail size video on the bottom right or on the left hand side. You can also have a button underneath the video with a link and with text, affiliate link, or any type of a link that you want. You can also set the button colors and the position, how far you want it from the left or bottom, the position of it. And if you want to have the enable the close button, very, very cool. Once you have saved this, you're going to have embed code that shows up right here. You can take that embed code and put it on static sites, any static site you want, HTML or PHP. So that is the rundown of the self-hosted. From here you got the YouTube. Now I'm just going to show you live now how this works. I'm going to take this YouTube video right here, and you want to scroll to see what kind of resolution it has. So if I come right here, you'll see that it goes all the way up to 1080p. That's high definition. So you want to come and get the share button. You can come and copy that and come over here. Now this just says get the video ID. So I'm just going to come in there and put that in there, and I'm going to just erase that right there. Okay, I just want the ID. I can set the width, any width you want. I'm going to put 854. And here I'm going to, do I want to have a border or shadow around it? I'm going to put no. Here the ratio is 6:9, so that's, I'm going to keep it as is. That's a default. Do I want to have the control bar on? If I have it on, I can have a dark or light control bar, but I'm going to have no control bar. Okay. I'm going to have that autoplay on. I'm going to have the annotations off, Now this is really cool for YouTube videos. I can set the start to be like 30 seconds into the video. That's when it'll start, and I can end it anytime I want to. That's really, really cool. Here I'm going to have the alignment center. You can also, for YouTube videos, have the video scroll. So once again, it'll show up on the right or left-hand thumbnail video, and it'll auto start as well. Really, really cool. And also there's going to be embed code for YouTube as well, because it's got a lot of different features and parameters and skins and borders that you can set up. All right. So once you're done setting that up, it's set up on autoplay. This is my Chrome browser. Now this is very important. Remember I told you before that you can go all the way up to the 1080p on this one. So I'm going to come over here. It says video quality. And so I'm going to go and I'm going to select HD 1080p, because what it's going to do is going to preload in HD on auto start. Isn't that cool? All right. So once you're done there, you click on publish. So that's published. I'm going to grab that embed. I'm going to grab that shortcode, and there's also a front-end manager too. So I'm going to go to my all pages. I'm just going to plunk this down on a test page right here. So I have a test page, and I'm going to just put that shortcode in there. We are creating an icon in the visual editor that pops up, and you can put the shortcode right there. Okay, so I'm going to put the shortcode. There you go. And I'm going to update it. Now I'm in the Chrome browser right now. So now I'm just going to visit this page. See how it auto starts? So it auto started, and it says click for sound. So when I click on sound, hear that? So that's very cool. So that starts just like that. The only thing you see is a YouTube logo. If you take your mouse over, if I auto start that, it looks just like a professional video. Now this is in 1080p HD, very, very cool. If I check the Firefox, let me check the Firefox, and it auto plays. So this is Firefox, and auto plays perfectly. So both in Firefox and in Chrome, it auto plays with a sound button in Chrome. Very, very powerful. So that's how it works in Chrome, and it's really cooler scripts. If I go back to the dashboard here, if I go to video player, I click on all videos, you can see that all your videos will show up here. The title, I can edit it. What's really cool, here's a shortcode. Now this is a really cool feature. If you're doing a number of videos, instead of creating the configurations all over again, I can duplicate the settings. Click on duplicate, and you can quickly change the title of it. All right. So quickly change the title of it right here, just like a quick change. I can edit the entire thing, and all my settings are the same as the last one, and I can just put another ID in there. And so that's a quick way. That is a quick way to do creating a new video. If you want the same settings, just hit the duplicate. So again, this is a video player. It's a premium video player, and it works on Chrome, and it works on Firefox and Safari with auto start, with YouTube, and also self-hosted videos. Thank you.